We're going to draw a line, make it straight, lay it out right there. That's what the horizontal saw is going to cut out. We're going to cut it, this one at 5 3/8 is for the, well, we ain't got to worry about that right now. So we're going to cut it. The plate is top to bottom. We'll say about 7 inches. Yeah, we'll say about 7 inches. We'll go about 7. Inches. We'll mark it. We're gonna cut it with the bandsaw, the hard bandsaw. We're gonna go a little bit out. All right, y'all. So we already got the. Well, they're all gonna be about. Okay, 7 inches. Got 7 inches. Boom, 7 inches. Got one 7-inch, and I'm gonna grind some tack. Unless we find the tacks. Inside it. Oh, almost, guys. So we got a nice factory edge right here. We got 2 of them. We'll take the good side. Yeah, we'll take that side. That's a little bit of grinding. All right, we got it tight. We're gonna power it on, and we're gonna let it drop. And while we're doing that, I'm gonna add some weight to it. What we did was, the plates over there is a 1/2 inch thick. So we did, half of this tube is 1. So we marked out half of the tube is 1, then we went a quarter over one way, a quarter to the other side, because half of a half is a quarter. So we got a 1/2 inch all the way down through. We're gonna cut this notch out. Don't matter if it's straight or anything, because when we put it on the thing, we're gonna clamp it down with a basic clamp, tack it in place, put some really good tacks, and we're gonna probably put some really good welds, because this is where the D-ring is gonna be behind. So let's get into it. Let's go ahead and mark the other piece. Give me a second. Oh yeah, also guys, we tried that first. I don't know if you can see it, but I can't. But you want the crisp angle. Never miss that. Yeah, right here. Get off there. Yeah, it's all on camera? Oh yeah, one sec, hold on. This is like a clean workspace. Hey, where's up there? That's it. That's it, y'all. Okay, I'll check it. I can't almost freaking charge. This is what I got on YouTube videos. That take place. Alright, anyways. Same glasses? Bam. Done. Bam. That was nice. Yeah, that's right. Alright, so see this works what kind of I'm looking for. So I'm going to do the pliers over here. Everything enough. Polish. And now everything enough. I'm going to take pliers. I'm going to go over here. The R side. The right side. And I'm going to see that fits on that. Now, focus. Bam. See this? It fits. Let it run. Yeah, right. That's my power. Slide button. Slide. Alright, that's more. Other side's more too bad. That's cool. Oh, man, what's so slip? You cut away. Oh, busy. That's right. I've got to let go so far down. I'll be back. Alright, guys, we're back. Now we got the tube set up. Once my helmet stopped falling. Okay, so this one's going to be where it's going to get. So, we got to tack it with this slit.
See the slip? Now tack it like this, but when we tack it, we gotta be able to move it back and forth. So we're gonna tack it to the floor. Alright, that should work. We'll tack it, probably tack it right on the outside. That way. There we go. It's like a little temporary tag. Something where now you gotta get your square, or not your square, but your torpedo level. Knock all these boogers off. I gotta make sure we get it where it's gotta be. Got the brass hammer. So it needs to go, I don't know if you guys can see this, so I'll bring you along. So if you guys look, see, torpedo level has got to come, it's got to go in. So we're gonna hammer it in some. Try not to break the tack. Wipe it off, put it back on. Now, still got to go in. Good amount. That's it right there. Let's check it out. A little bit more. Wipe it off. Almost. One good tap. Dang, another good tap. Alright, y'all, that should be it right there. And a little bit more. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. That tack in right there. Bam. What does that look like to y'all? That looks pretty level. One more time. Bam. What does that read? I mean, YouTube. Freaking level, right? Ah, dang. Freaking creasing the shit out of my boots. Should have brought my other boots. Alright, y'all. So right now, what we about to do is about to put the clamp in. On the inside. Right out the way. I don't know if it's dark under there for y'all. Alright, you see where that lip is right there? Now, what we about to do is, now that we got it where we want it to bring it in. I think now, I don't know, it might be good. Check the other side. Yeah, that's good actually. That's pretty good. Good, we got it level. Now we about to shoot a couple of tacks on it. So about to stand, you guys a little back. So you guys a little bit back more. About to tack this bad boy on. Let's get it. Okay, let's keep that on there. Keep the level on there. Make sure it don't pull. Alright, so about right there. It's about darn near. We're gonna grind the tack on the outside off when we get done with this. We're gonna put it on the inside. Alright, move this clamp around. And we're gonna put the tack. still level. We'll put a tack at the top. Put another. We got 3 tacks. We'll probably put one more up in the corner. Bam, we got 3 tacks and it's perfectly level. Check it out for yourself. Perfectly level. Alright, y'all. We're gonna tack up the other side. We're gonna get it. Let's get it. Alright, y'all. This is a Chevy C10 bumper, rear bumper. So we got 2 mounts on. Got the tube on that one and the tube on that one right there. Everything is square. I bolted it up because, let's see if I can't get you guys to zoom out. Make sure it's clear. Alright, so right across here going this way, it's level with the truck. And then this way it's level. I had to make sure I got that level. I forgot about it. So I tightened up the bolts underneath. I raised it up with a board and stuff to keep it upright. So then I took the boards out after I tightened up the screws and the bolts and went up where I needed it. It looks even. Yeah, it looks pretty good. And let's get it, y'all. Still on it. Also, everybody, right now we got to grind the tacks off the front. While we're doing that, we got to grind this off so we can put that next plate on. We'll go down this way. It's going to be about 7 inches. We're going to take the Parkside grinder from Germany. We're going to grind smooth, both sides. Now, the good part about putting tubes up there is this. Now, when I show you, you'll be like, hey, dude, that's a smart idea. So what you do is, well, actually, it only works for the bottom part. You got to have some big old adjustable clamps like this. Other one over there. Now, also there's a fun part of being by yourself. Fun part and also the hardest part of being by yourself. Because you're by yourself. Alright, let's get this plate. You already got which part's going to be the bottom, which part's going to be the top marked out. Slide it off the table. Now the fun part. Now, when you mess with a plate like this, I didn't grind the edges. Who cares? I'll clean it up. Move your lead out the way because it can get very dangerous. Okay, so if you're like me, you don't have no help, you have to judge this. That's the fun part. Now you could use the jack, a block, that might hold it up, need it. Okay. That way I can jack up the other side. Maybe 2x4 might work. And works. Too high. Half-inch plate like this. Get that. Don't need one there. What we do is I hold it up with one hand, line it up, and down. And it can only go one way. Somewhat tighten this one up a little bit. That way make it easier. Gotta tighten this clamp up a little bit. You know what? A little bit of topping. Like these. This is what I should do. Get it where I need it. Right. Way much easier. Let me get the other one. Where is that? Okay, yeah, it's on the bandsaw. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to drop off this one. I'll raise it up. So into the and drop right there. Bam. Okay, got it on. I don't know how long that took, but we finally got it on, y'all. And my battery's dying, so I'll be back.